nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and you already know I came to slay today with a budget-friendly wig. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are having like a really great day when you're watching this video, staying blessed, staying motivated, positive, out the way, and minding your business. What's up, divas? And what's up, divos? It's your girl A, and I'm back to slay, okay? So y'all know y'all already know how much I love this company. Budget-friendly, always in the pink box, okay? And if you've never heard of Unice, girl, where you been? They nice, their hair is nice, we're gonna look nice, it's all around nice. You can catch them on Amazon. You know what I say about Amazon? Amazon Prime, get your wig on time. I love Amazon. You get everything. I'm actually waiting for a package to be delivered from Amazon today. So y'all already know your girl's about to slay. I love Unice, okay? I love them. They have the best of the best of the best for less. Check them out on Amazon. Check them out on AliExpress. Girl, check them out. They got you covered. They are available on their own website, on Amazon, on AliExpress. Girl, they probably next door for all we know. But they have some very affordable units. So if you are on a budget and you want some really good hair, Unice definitely do care, okay? So this one right here is going to give us a little bit of color and dimension. She is definitely long and luxurious, and she is a Brazilian body wave. In your package, this is pre-everything, so all you need to do is take her out and do what you want to do to her and put her on. There's no bleaching, no styling needed, no plucking. It's all pre-everything. Pre-approved also by your girl. So in the box, you will get a melting band from Unice, because girl, I'm pretty sure you need one. Lay them hairs down, lay that wig down while you're doing your hair. HD wig cap and edge brush. Inside the box, the best of the best of the best is your unit. Now she also comes with some tape. So if you like to use tape or glue or hairspray like me, then you have all of the necessities that you will ever need. She is in the length of 24 inches and she is a 13x4. So this is the color that I got her in. I wanted to try this color out. It's summertime, or it's about to be. And girl, listen, y'all need to lighten up the hair colors. A little something fun, a little bit something different. She also came with a roller in her hair, which means she has curtain bangs, girl. Nicely packaged, already styled for you. Girl, all you gotta do is put her on. Now, there are some of you like me who prefer their curls to go a different way. That's fine. They may even want their part to go a different direction. That's fine too, because that's me. She already comes pre-everything. Pre-bleach, pre-cut, pre-thinned out, pre-styled, and pre-approved, baby. Okay. 2 combs by the front, and then you also do have a comb in the nape, some silicone banding, an adjustable strap, and also some rubber silicone banding here. So that way your wig don't slip back and she fall off and you don't even know. And then somebody's running behind you like, man, you dropped your wig. Like, you don't want that, okay? You don't want that. And then the best of the best, to make her even more secure, because you know you need the security. Who don't love a good wig? And if it's secure, girl, listen, the drawstring is definitely popping, okay? All you need to do is put her on. She has a middle part, so I'm not really sure how I feel about the middle part, but we're gonna see. We're gonna give it a try. You know, your girl would never lie. I'm just trying to rhyme. Okay, yep. But let's get her on and see what she do, and then you know we're gonna come back through. Girl, I got bars for days. Okay.
Is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. Oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah. Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just leave today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me?
All right, y'all, look at her. She came out extra cute. I love a good wig, girl. This wig gave me no problem. A nice little curved part, girl, super easy. I didn't really need to recurl the hair, but I just wanted some fresher curls, you know, curl the way that I wanted it. This 13x4 is definitely a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Pre-bleach, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-styled, and baby pre-approved. Where you gonna get your wig from? You gonna get it from Unice, because they have the best of the best of the best for less. This color, though, is really, really pretty. I like this color a lot. It's like a sandy blonde and a platinum blonde kind of like mixed together. Girl, listen, I love this color a lot. I like the fact that it's all darker at the root and the highlight just is gradually in there. They did a really great job with the mix of the color. Girl, listen, if you're ready for a change and you want some cute colored hair, you definitely want to head on over to Unice. Because girl, they nice. They nice. They wigs are nice. You're going to look nice and you're going to feel nice. And what's that say? We all around nice, girl. And who don't want a wig that screams nice? You're going to do a wig, do a big, girl, okay? Slay all day like it's our B-day. And Amazon Prime is definitely gonna get your wig to you on time. I really do like this. I feel good when I get a wig that I really, really like. You know what I'm saying? Girl, listen, if I ain't tell you once, I'm gonna tell you twice. You're gonna have to go over to Amazon and check out Unice. If you stay to the very end of this video, please make sure to leave me a pink heart in the box down below, the comment in the description box. Everything will be there for you, ladies, so that way you can click the link and get you the same wig. And we could definitely be twinning. Who don't want to be twins with me? Okay, we gonna do twinsies. I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious. As always, make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, share it if you like to. Make sure you give me that pink heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Lately, I can hear it calling for you.